Biology, Chapter 8 Cell, the unit of life of Class 11. Prokaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells are represented by bacteria, blue-green algae, mycoplasma, and PPLO. They are generally smaller and multiply more rapidly than the eukaryotic cell. They may vary greatly in shape and size. They have no membrane-bound nucleus and organelles. The four basic shapes of bacteria are bacillus rod shape, coccus spherical shape, vibrio comma shape, and spirillum spiral shaped. Prokaryotic cells has a cell organelles, cell envelope, mesosome and chromatophores, nucleoid, flagella, pili and fimbri, ribosomes and inclusion bodies. The organelles of prokaryotic cell is fundamentally smaller even though prokaryotes exhibit a widely variety of shape and functions. All prokaryotes have a cell wall surrounding the cell membrane. The fluid matrix fills the cell in the cytoplasm. There is no well-defined nucleus. The genetic material is naked, not enveloped by the nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic cells have a chemically complex cell envelope. The cell envelope consists of tightly bound three layer structure, the outermost glycocalyx, second cell wall, and plasma membrane. The outermost glycocalyx, the outermost layer of bacteria, is formed of glycocalyx. Glycocalyx differs in composition and thickness among different bacteria. Slim layer. It could be loose sheet called the slim layer. Capsule. In some bacteria, this layer may be thick and taut called the capsule. Cell wall. The cell wall determines the shape of the cell and provides a strong structural support to prevent the bacterium from bursting or collapsing. It is seen in all prokaryotes. It is a middle layer. Plasma membrane. The plasma membrane is semi-permeable in nature and interacts with the outer side world. This membrane is similar structurally to that of eukaryotes. It is the innermost layer. Based on the type of cell envelopes and response to Gram staining, bacteria are of two types. Although each layer of envelope performs distinct functions, they act together as a single protective unit. Bacteria can be classified into two groups on the basis of the difference in the cell envelope and the manner in which they respond to the staining procedure developed by Gram. Those that take up the Gram stain are Gram positive, that do not take up the Gram stain are Gram negative. Christian Gram developed Gram staining method. The organelles of prokaryotic cell is fundamentally smaller even though prokaryotes exhibit a widely variety of shape and functions. All prokaryotes have a cell wall surrounding the cell membrane. The fluid matrix fills the cell in the cytoplasm. There is no well-defined. The outermost glycocalyx. The outermost layer of bacteria is formed of glycocalyx. Glycocalyx differs in composition and thickness among different bacteria. Slim layer. Chromatophores. In some prokaryotes like cyanobacteria, there are other membranous extensions into the cytoplasm called chromatophore which contains pigments. For example, cyanobacteria. Many bacteria have small circular DNA outside the genomic DNA. These are called plasmids. The plasmid DNA contain unique phenotypic characters to such bacteria. Resistance to antibiotics. Plasmid DNA is used to monitor bacterial transformation with foreign DNA. Nuclear membrane is not found in it. Flagella. Bacterial cells may be motile or non-motile. If motile, they have thin filamentous extension from their cell wall called flagella. Bacteria show a range in the number and arrangement of flagella. Bacterial flagellum is composed of three parts: filament, hook and basal body. The filament is the longest portion and extends from the cell surface to the outer side. Pili and fimbriae. Pili and fimbriae are also surface structures of the bacteria but do not play a role in the motility. Pili. Pili are elongated tubular structure made up of spatial protein. Fimbriae. Fimbriae are small crystal-like fibers sprouting out of the cell. In some bacteria, they are known to help attach the bacteria to rock in stream and also to the host tissues. Ribosomes. Ribosomes of prokaryotes are associated with the plasma membrane of the cell. They are about 15 nanometer by 20 nanometer in size and are made up of two subunits, 50S and 30S units, which when present together form 70S prokaryotic ribosomes. S is a sedimentation coefficient, a measure of density and size. S stands for Swedberg unit. Function of ribosomes. Several ribosomes may attach to single mRNA and form a chain called polyribosome or polysomes. Ribosomes are the site of protein synthesis. Inclusion bodies. Rhizome material in prokaryotic cells are stored in the cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies. These are not bounded by any membrane system and lie free in the cytoplasm. For example, phosphate granules, cyanophysin granules, and glycogen granules. Gas vacuoles are found in blue-green and purple and green photosynthetic bacteria. Thank you.